Hi everyone, Alpazel is here. Let's color a cute picture of a tomato. Change the color bucket to a marker, then choose red to color the tomato. The secret of the red tomato, the great disguiser, the tomato is actually a fruit, just like an apple or orange. But because it is not sweet and is often cooked with vegetables, it is often disguised as a vegetable in soup or chili sauce. Pale red. Maroon. White. Light green. The tomato coloring is complete. Move on to the grass. Choose this green color. Swipe up, select moss green for the bush. Shape that resembles flower petals. Color it purple. Light green. For the flowers, color with magenta. The center of the flower is colored pink and light purple. For the flower on the left, color it bluish green or pine. Light blue. The butterfly is colored yellow for the outer wings. Light yellow. Yellow inner wings. Pale orange for the butterfly body. Orange. For the other butterfly, color it red. What color red do you think it is? Now color the two big trees. Choose brown for the tree trunks. The secret of the red tomato, natural sunscreen. tomatoes contain a substance called lycopene. This substance acts like a protective layer that protects our skin from burning easily when we spend time in the sun. For tree leaves, of course green. The colors of the rainbow tomatoes don't just come in red, there are bright yellow, orange, green, and even dark purple ones like grapes. For a dense forest background, color it dark green. Another secret of the red tomato. It has many siblings. Tomatoes are closely related to potatoes and eggplants. They are one big family that prefers to grow in fertile soil. Once feared, once upon a time, people were afraid to eat tomatoes because of their beautiful but strange shape. They thought they were poisonous. It wasn't until someone brave enough to try them and stay healthy that everyone started eating them. Why should you eat tomatoes? Clear eyes helps keep your eyes healthy for reading books and enjoying the scenery. Smooth skin keeps our skin soft and strong. Makes you smarter. The vitamins in tomatoes help our brains work faster when learning. The coloring is done. This is a fresh red tomato with 2 butterflies.
Hello friends, I'm so happy today. Let's dance and play together. Whee, the sun! Whee, here I come!
Tomato, we're over here.
Yay, you made it!
Hi, friends.